we'll guide you through how to use Google Drive for storage. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your files and folders are displayed. To upload a file, simply click on the Debut New button in the top left corner, then select File Upload or Folder Upload if you want to add multiple files at once. A window will pop up allowing you to choose your files from your computer. Select the files you want and click Open. Your files will start uploading immediately, and you'll see a progress bar at the bottom right of your screen. Once uploaded, your files will appear in the main area of your Google Drive, where you can organize them into folders by clicking the New button again and selecting Folder. Name your folder and click Create. You can then drag and drop your files into this folder for better organization. If you want to share a file or folder, right-click on it and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with, and choose their permission level, viewer, commenter, or editor. Click Send to share. You can also generate a shareable link by clicking Get Link and adjusting the link settings. Google Drive is not just about storage, it also allows you to create documents, spreadsheets, and presentations directly from the new menu. This means you can work on your projects collaboratively in real time with others. Don't forget to regularly check your storage usage by looking at the left sidebar where it says Storage. If you need more space, you can upgrade your storage plan. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.